And so the mid-range scene is getting better and better. And now that we have the iPhone SE 2020 announced and finally here, we are now waiting for the arrival of the Pixel 4a, the follow-up to the successful Pixel 3a that Google put out last year. That is a banging mid-range device. I cannot stress that. And while I won't say the Pixel 3a is responsible for Apple really starting to take the mid-range scene seriously, I would like to say that it opened that door wide open for them. As you look at the iPhone SE when it first released, Apple did put some stock into it, but not as much as they did with this year's iPhone SE. And it kind of shows that Apple is really starting to look at pricing and lower that pricing for their consumers. And I'd like to think that Google had a slight influence in that by showcasing what they can do mid-range with the Pixel 3a. Again, banging smartphone. Nearly as powerful as the Pixel 3, even though it has more subtle specs compared to the Pixel 3. And we're hoping that the same thing is repeated with the Pixel 4a, which we could possibly expect that to be announced and released in May of 2020. Amongst all the things that's going on in the world right now, I am super stoked for this, and I'm seeing websites talking about it, that it could actually be better than the iPhone SE 2020, but that is not for me to say. That is for consumers to say who actually buy the phone. I just want to pay homage to the Pixel 3a for opening that door and making mid-range area taken serious by other OEMs. So thanks for checking out my video. Appreciate it. Thanks so much. And as always, aloha.